Welcome to this video demonstration of Vauxhall's satellite navigation system. We're currently sat in a Vauxhall Astra, although this same system is available across most of the Vauxhall range. So let's get straight into it. We've got a touchscreen system, so just hit nav up in the top corner and you'll be presented with the main menu. Before we get on to inputting a destination, if you hit the menu button down in the bottom corner there, you'll see that you can change various things like voice preferences, so you can turn on or off the voice. You can change the way the map is viewed, so you can have 3D, for example, or north facing, whatever it might be. But when you want to input a destination, there's two ways of doing it. Firstly, you have to hit destination. You could, first of all, if you didn't know where you're wanting to go, but for example you needed fuel, you can do a points of interest. You could then, for example, if you're after fuel, hit fuel, petrol stations, and it will list all of the petrol stations from the closest to furthest away. So if you knew you wanted to use Esso, for example, you can see it's 1.2 miles away, or you've got BP, Sainsbury's, and another BP closer. So really easy to use. You just hit the box and it will go to that location. You've then got restaurants and various other things as well. If you are going to a residential address or a business, or you know the address, there's a couple of ways of doing it. Firstly, you could start typing up here should you wish to, or you can hit address, select city, and then from there you can either input the city or the postcode for where you wish to go. So if we started putting in a postcode, for example, you can see, very easy to do, space. It's just like using a normal keyboard on a computer, really. But by far and away the easiest way to do this is actually using the controls on the steering wheel. So here we have voice activation. If I push this button, the display in the center here will change, and you'll see what happens from there as I follow the instructions given by the car.
Say a command or say help.
Navigation.
What type of destination, address, intersection, place of interest, or contact?
Address.
Say the address in Great Britain, starting with the house number, if available, or say change country.
147 Staines Road West, Sunbury.
147 Staines Road West, Sunbury. Is that correct?
Yes.
When it is safe to do so, look at the radio display to complete your selection.
So over in the centre here, you can see that it's found the destination. We only had to push one button to do it. You don't need to even pair up a phone to do that. The car will do it without you having to pair your phone up. And then you simply hit go.
The route has been calculated.
And it's as simple as that. If you'd like to come and try out this system for yourself, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. You can come in, have a test drive, and somebody will gladly show you through this satellite navigation firsthand. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video.